I'm going to clean this stainless steel baking tray and hopefully make it look good as new. The first thing I'm going to do is put some detergent onto this grease that's embedded into the metal, and I'm using boiling hot water from a kettle to break down the grease. I'm also mixing in some bleach and some boiling hot water. Now I'm using a knife just to scrape it. I'm being careful not to scratch the stainless steel. I'm now going to use a non-metallic scrubber. This will be used for the entire cleaning now. It will take some time. In fact, it took me over an hour to clean this. Even though I'm not wearing any, I would advise in wearing some kind of protective gloves because you are using bleach. A good thing about this particular scrubber is that it doesn't seem to wear out, so I could continue to do it until my hand got tired. When I purchased this stainless steel baking tray, my assumption was that it would keep clean for longer than the old ones that I picked up. Unfortunately, that isn't the case, and you've got to sort of work out whether it's worth buying the cheap ones and then throw them away, or whether to spend time in cleaning this. So now it's practically back to how it was when I originally purchased it. So thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my DIY, then please go onto my channel.